because they provide, like ma'am always told us, like don't follow any other book or any other thing, just go with the same, just go with the normal topics which they are teaching. So I'll highly recommend what the teachers are, especially the Harika ma'am and Arif sir, what they are teaching. Just go with that. Don't stick to Chat GPT. Don't go to Chrome or whatever you want.
Hello everyone, welcome to Light Expertise. I'm Dr. Sadamni, one of the members of Light Expertise, and today we have with us Rakshhat. Hi Rakshhat, welcome to Light Expertise and congratulations on clearing your OPRA exam. How are you feeling?
Hi, ma'am. Good. How are you? Firstly, and I'm feeling great after clearing the opera. Yup, I'm feeling like on cloud nine, to be honest. Yeah, it was a very great moment. Like I've appeared for CAPS in November as well, so I wasn't like that consistent while studying. So that's why like I couldn't be able to clear that CAPS in November. But after that, I moved to opera. Like I was consistent this time. So yep, and luckily I passed that exam.
Thank you so much, Rakshhat, for asking me. I'm fine too. Thank you so much. And you have been consistent and you've cleared your OPRA exam. And
Yes.
congratulations to you
No,
on
thank you.
clearing your OPRA exam. Okay, so tell me about yourself. Where are you from? What did you study?
Actually, I'm from Ludhiana, India, Punjab, and I moved to Australia in 2023, 2022, and I've done bachelor's in pharmacy. And after that, I've saw like pharmacy is a good profession here. They get a lot of respect, and so I wanted to pursue in that field. So I used to remember like in my earlier days, I used to roam and visit each and every pharmacy for a job. I wasn't like I didn't know at that time we have to clear. There's a certain process we have to follow that. I didn't know at that time. So yep, and slowly and slowly I get to know like we have to clear exam. At that time it was CAPS. So yep, then one of my friend was studying from you guys, and they recommended light expertise. So yep, and then I followed you and joined you guys, and yep.
Okay, so in how much time did you clear your OPRA exam?
My OPRA exam. Uh, you can say around like 3 months, 3 to 4 months.
And each day, how much time did you dedicate in studying?
Oh yeah, that's very good question. To be honest, like I work as in customer service job. What I do is like in the morning it wasn't that busy. What I used to do is I used to plug my earphones in, and I used to listen the repeated lecture, because in the evening it was, I'm in Melbourne, so it's very busy here. Sometimes I wouldn't be able to join online classes. So what I'll do is in the morning I used to listen repeated lectures, and day by day, like 2 to 3 hours, and then after that I've cleared the exam.
Okay. So, since you've done your bachelor's and then you cleared your opera exam, did you find any difficulty? Like, how did you cover that bridge? Or was it very simple for you?
Actually, I had a gap of one Opera July, so I thought Opera July or like March. Sorry,
March.
I had a gap.
Opera March.
I could have given that. Yeah, I could have given that exam, but I was like very demotivated because I thought like it's yeah. So one of my friends motivated and told me like and pushed me to sit for the exam once again. So and it wasn't that tough, to be honest, because I've done a lot of practice while doing caps. So I just have to repeat. I just have to listen the repeated lectures and just put more hard work in that. And luckily, I cleared the opera after that.
Okay. So, like, how did you come to Australia and why did you choose Australia out of all the other countries?
Oh, yes, Australia. Like to be honest, like other countries, they have been like there's been a lot of racism in other countries, even in Australia. But sometimes, even my father pushed me towards Australia, so that's why I wasn't specific. I wasn't like stick to one country. But my
Okay.
father like told me, and one of my friends are coming, so I thought like let's join them and come to Australia.
Okay. So, how did you come in contact with Allied Expertise? As you told me that your friend had suggested you.
One of my friend was studying from you guys,
Uh-huh.
and he was like senior in my college, and he told me like elite expertise are like better as
Mm-hmm.
compared to other ones.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought like let's give a shot. So yeah, that's how I contacted you guys and yep, joined you guys.
Okay. Uh, then let's talk about the last month preparation, like when there was only 1 month remaining for the preparation, like exam. So, how was that?
Or last month was very terrific to be honest, and I did like I had a week off, 2 weeks off from my job. I used to study in the morning, as I told you, and even then, like before 15 to 20 days, I used to attend each and every online lecture and used to repeat the same lecture in the morning. Last time, I remember in the KAPS, while doing the KAPS, I wasn't paying attention to the online lectures, which is the most important thing. So this time, I don't want to repeat the same mistake. So this time I joined online lectures, and in the morning I used to listen to the repeated lectures and was doing practicing all day. So yep.
Okay. So, do you have any tips for our future aspirants? And I want to know your strategy. How did you clear this exam? What was your magic mantra?
Oh, my magic mantra was very obvious, normal. Like just stick to what the teachers are teaching. Like uh, just be consistent. That's it. Be consistent and especially join online lectures, guys. It's very important. I know with even if you're living in abroad, it's very tough for you to attend online. But if you're not able to attend online, just listen to repeated lectures, and especially before giving the exam, don't miss the last 15 online lectures. They are pretty important.
So, my last few questions for you. One would be, why do you love Elite Expertise, especially Harika Ma'am and Arif sir?
Oh, they were very generous. They were very generous. Even like I told you, like I just attend online lectures for the last 15 days. But after, if we, while when I used to listen repeated lectures, I had some doubts. I used to post in the WhatsApp group, and even the students, they used to answer it. But if I ask them personally, they definitely revert me back, which is very generous of them because if we see like out of 200, 300 students, if they're replying you privately, personally, then they deserve a hats off.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how highly do you recommend Elite Expertise?
I highly recommend to every each and every student because they provide, like ma'am always told us, like don't follow any other book or any other thing, just go with the normal topics which they are teaching. So I'll highly recommend what the teachers are, especially the Harika ma'am and Arif sir, what they are teaching. Just go with that. Don't stick to Chat GPT. Don't go to Chrome or whatever you want, but just stick to what they are teaching.
So, since you gave both CAPS and OPRA, so this is my last question to you. So, what was the difference which you could see significantly since you sat for both the exams? So, how was the experience?
My personal experience was Opera was pretty easy as compared to CAPS because CAPS was very lengthy, and there's 1 hour gap in between. I remember 1 hour gap in between. So even like your momentum would be broken, while sitting in Opera. It's just a 3 hours paper, I guess. Even I forgot now. And you just
Two
have
hours
to.
paper.
So what was that?
2 hours paper. No, 3 hours.
2 hours paper.
2 hours and
Yeah,
I think 30 minutes something. No,
yeah.
3 hours. Yeah.
So and you just have to give it in a one shot, which helps us to focus on that, especially. And even in CAPS, like there are two exams in between. There's a break, and in break you will not sit idle. What you will do is you'll like you'll have a chat with the other students, like how they are doing, and you get nervous. But if it's Opera, like you just have a one shot, and yep, that's it. Like just be focused, guys.
Thank you so much, Vicky, and all the very best for your future. We hope that you clear your intern, written, and oral exam as well and become a completely registered pharmacist very soon. Since you are already in Australia, so you have already covered that gap and you are sitting. So
Yeah.
now just the next two steps, find your internship very fast, and then the next two steps are ready to go.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for
Thank you
that.
so much and all the very best. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.